Hey guys, it's me Daniel here. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment in the comment section. And right now, I was watching some. Well, what is it called? Ugh! God damn it, hot dog! Some ringtones, and look at this: the Maverick Savage in the Maverick Galaxy. That's something that I really like. So yeah, if you want to download this, it's called Sedge. Look. Man. Sorry guys, I just had to stop recording because my sister has her annoying Minnie Mouse. Why is she talking? I hate my nails so much. Sorry, I had to stop recording again. So yeah, what this thing is called, it's really easy because it's right here. It should be the first one right there, and you can get like a ton of ringtones. Look, I already have some. Hold on. Look. I have.
I don't really care if you cry. I don't really should've never lied. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge.
I have that one and this one. Hold on. And there we go. Over here, ringtones. Where is it? I have. Hold on. Get it! Okay, and now for my notifications, Panda, I have. Stop it. Stop it. No, not that one. No, hold on. Let me see if I can find it though. Let me go see. Oh, kitty, how dare you? Notifications. Oh, here it is. It's this one. Okay, let me go see if I can find it. Hey, cat. What the heck? Leave me alone. Here then.
I like that panda!
Wait, hold on. What the heck?
I love Kung Fu!
That's one. That's the worst I've ever seen. What the heck? Ooh!
Get ready to feel the thunder!
What the heck? I like panda. I like that panda. Ah!
Get a clue.
Stop, panda.
I got broads in Atlanta. Since the me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. You know, listen to Bama.
Hold on, let me go check it. Check it. Check it.
Panda.
Nope.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Since Sister the lean, the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Panda, 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 panda.
This one.
Go, get it, fuck Jake Paul. Let me tell y'all about this fuck Jake Paul. Fake wife, fake life, no talent at all. Let me tell y'all about all of his flaws. Don't get me started about it.
Okay, I also have. I actually have some. I have some more downloaded. Like, Lantone, West Edge. I got. Wait.
Drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bruising, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got. I don't really care if you cry. I don't really shouldn't have lied. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes.
Okay, let me go see if I can find some more. Wait, what the heck?
Panda.
Nah.
I got broads in Atlanta. She's a
Mis bolas, sucios hijos de
Panda. SpongeBob.
crap. Krabby Krab is on there. Mr. Krabs is in there. Standing at the concession. Applauding his oppression. Mr. Krabs is on there. Krusty Krab is on there. Standing at the concession. Applauding.
That is just
No, do we have those reports that we have in your
Was
numbers?
that you, Bill?
Out there, think about the Q4 numbers, but we hit this demographic, so we're trying to hit. We're trying to get to that 25 to 35. No, do we have those reports that we have in your numbers?
Was that you, Bill?
Out there, think about the Q4 numbers, but we hit this demographic, so we're trying to hit. We're trying to get to that 25 to 35 male market. Are we hitting that?
At your age, dump your parents' insurance company.
there we go. I found some of these. Oh shoot, I can't see. Ringtones. Wait, Panda. Nope, not that. I also have this.
It's every day, bro, with the Disney Channel flow. 5 mil on YouTube in 6 months, never done before. Pass all the competition, man. PewDiePie is next, man. I'm popping all these checks. Got the brand new Rolex, and then
Your brother is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
it's every day, bro, with the Disney Channel flow. 5 mil on YouTube.
Hold on, let me hear this. Oh, yeah. There's this. I saw this.
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch.
That. And, oh yeah, here it is. Section, I mean.
Hey, your phone is ringing. Pick up your phone. The phone. Yeah, the phone.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Your boss is attempting.
So what, we get drunk. I believe I can fly.
Jesus, take the wheel. Take it from. You don't own me. person is attempting.
Wait, what the heck?
An idiot is attempting to reach you on your cellular device. An idiot is attempting.
Surrounded by young.
What the heck?
Your brother.
Fork.
Yeah. And every road you take will always lead you home. Oh.
Sorry guys if y'all can't hear me while the ringtones are on. Oh, sorry. Sorry guys, I have to keep doing that because my cousin brother keeps coming. What the heck was that? What was that? Rolex. I should turn that down.
What would we do? I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch.
What the heck? Nope. What? Nice wallpapers. This looks horrible. Crap. What the crap? I want a savage like wallpaper. Panda. Hey, hold on. Let me check if that. Guys, I'm doing the video here right now. Peace.